Get excited about the 2010 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.